right here.
They're in the purple maze. They're in the purple maze.
Coming no.
They were.
Oh my God! Run! George!
They chased me and they both chased me.
Guys, it's not here. It's not here.
Coming on. Nothing.
Sounds like a monkey, right?
Coming Noah. Crazy.
It's fine. It's not fine.
Where is he gone? Is he in there?
Yeah.
I survived! There's no more. No more.
Where is he?
Hello, people.
Oh.
Big people in this room. Oh my God.
No. Who would bring that?
You're not coming. You're not coming.
Where is Nah. Coming no one, guys.
Where are you?
Wait, he's not coming. We already know that.
Yes, he is.
Coming no one.
No, he's not.
It was just a prank.
Yes, he is.
Coming no one. Coming no one. Coming no one.
Okay.
Rose decided to go in there.
Guys, go in the entrance where we came from. Guys, let's go in the entrance where we came from.
Right there, guys. Let's go in there and see if he come back.
Oh my
Yo, guys, let me check in there for you guys.
Yeah, we're checking
wanna
out
check in there for
where
you
we
guys.
came from. Hello, monkeys! Hello, monkeys!
Why are you
Monkeys!
running?
Yo, why you built like that?
Where's the other monkeys? Ah, they already came.
Yo, stand right here. You racist?
Stop.
What's the
Where's the
racist?
other monkeys? Where's the other monkeys?
That's brain bondage.
Guys.
I juked him.
Oh my gosh!
Guys, it's coming.
What the fuck?
Ow!
How did I see
You're not coming.
Stop fingering me, Daddy.
sweating. I've been sweating.
I got stuck in the maze.
Sweaty bag bear, bro. Sweaty bag.
Yo, big ass eyes.
Sweaty bag bear.
Look at this anime
Sweaty
character.
bag bear, bro.
Bonnie's in there.
Sweaty
Look at
bag
this guy.
bear.
Look at this guy.
Sweaty bag bear.
Yep.
Shut him
Look
up.
at this
Just ran
guy.
what he got.
Look
Try
at
to make me
that.
laugh.
Yo, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna jump.
Who is there? How much
Hey, get dancing. I'm gonna juke him.
Hey, I'm coming from the entrance.
Muffle.
Hey.
Yo, what? Stop going against that black guy.
Shut up,
We all know you're racist.
Stop Freddy. Stop Freddy Fazbear.
I think Joe regrets everything that he said.
Yeah, fucking retard.
Floppy,
Muffle.
It's got sweat.
You guys are Hey, Freddy, do you like golf mummies?
This controller is the only thing I just sweat on.
Freddy, do you like Yo, Freddy, you like golf mummies? Freddy, do you like golf mummies?
I did not even jump down like something.
Freddy, do you like golf mummies? Wow, yo, Freddy, answer my question. Where's this guy going, bro? Yo, Freddy, where the fuck are you
Not
going?
Freddy,
Springtrap.
Bonnie Badger.
That's
Coming
Freddy.
at you.
Springtrap and
Yo, my phone!
Bun bears. Turn around, Freddy's
No,
bun
my
bear,
God. Get away.
bro. Why would I say it like that? Yo, who stole my line?
Where am I? What the fuck am I?
Nothing. Why you scared, guys?
Yo guys, I'm just like recipes to myself. I'm gonna make it till Christmas, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I dare myself, I'm gonna get... Bye-bye. Maybe it's dead.
Yo, where are you running from, bro? There's no one there. Let me check for you.
Yeah, there's no
Is
one
there
here.
anyone there? Say hello. Yep, see no.
No, and hello to my little friend. Oh, your controller's tweaking
Hello. Okay, so like, why did you have to do that? Like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? You wanna fight? Now I'm fighting Golden Freddy back. Yo, you wanna fight?
I'm
gonna scrap
I need to go rock the
I don't wanna fight.
Yes,
This is my kingdom.
You wanna fight? Yeah, you wanna fight?
What the hell?
When you see my feet,
Yo, you wanna fight? Yo, Freddy, let's fight. You wanna fight?
when you see my feet in an empty street, this is my kingdom.
Guys, look, it's Golden
This is Mickey.